everybody, and welcome to my channel. Yes, sorry about the no makeup. I just don't care anymore with COVID and going in public anymore. But anyways, I went to a Dollar Tree that I absolutely love going to. It's been a long time since I was there, but I went to go visit people at my old work, and there's a Dollar Tree nearby, so I'm like, okay, we're gonna go. So I got some Christmas stuff, I got some random stuff, I got some gifts, and I got some like snacks and stuff, but I just wanted to share with you guys the random stuff. I've been really trying to find this tube mesh wreath stuff that I've been making. That store was completely sold out, which is fine. I might just order some stuff online. But I was pretty excited, you know, just to go get out of the house. I love the Dollar Tree. This is a Dollar Tree that I absolutely love because you'll never know what you're gonna find. I know every Dollar Tree is different, but this one always has some really good stuff. So anyways, I've been trying not to like buy a lot of Christmas decorations just because I have so much, but I saw these signs and I thought these were super cute. I ended up getting this one that says ho ho ho. I do have a spot I can put this in when I do put my decorations up, but I thought that was really cute. I really liked it. I think there was a different one also, but I thought it was cool, and it's also kind of like a 3D glitter. But I thought that was really, really cute. So I ended up getting that for my decorations. And then I found these. Now I have a mantle that I put a lot of stuff on, and I thought something tall like this for my mantle for both sides I think will be super, super, super awesome. So I got these. One says let it snow and the other one says ho ho ho. I also found an elf, but I thought, okay, I thought both of these were too cute. I wanted to get all three, but I'm like, I don't need all three of them. But I got these, you know, I think they're pretty cute, pretty easy. So I got those. Okay, I'm just gonna put those in my Christmas decoration pile. I just remembered I have more Halloween decorations and I don't know where I put them. I had like two signs. Be careful, honey. So yeah, so walked in the store. First thing we saw as we were grabbing a cart was this Ryan's Toys stickers. It's like a sticker thing. There's a bunch of stickers. It says over 1,000 stickers. Charlotte, can you not touch that, please? Can you not touch that? Put it down, honey. Put it down. Put it back. No. Yeah, you're a good helper. But anyways, there's 1,000 stickers with a sticker pad. Ben's kind of has a sticker book that I kind of been having him get stickers as we go places. I thought, you know, as we travel, he can always get a sticker and put it in a sticker book, something to look at. He can put it however order he wants, how crappy he wants. I don't care. It's something that he did himself. So I thought these are kind of cool. He could just put some Ryan stickers in there. And I mean, for $1, this is actually a pretty decent gift. I mean, I don't even know how much this would cost if you would buy it at a store, but I mean, for $1, that is a great deal. He also, when we were at Walmart yesterday, he saw some Ryan's Toy Review bath bombs, and they were like $4, and I'm like, Ben, I am not spending $4 on a bath bomb that's gonna be gone within minutes. But they had a whole thing of these. I said he could get a bunch of them. He wanted 3. I said there was nothing wrong with that, but this is Ryan's Mystery Playdate. Mystery Splasher Surprise. So basically it's just like a bath bomb. This is not a bath toy. Do not use in bathing. It says includes a mystery clue and figure. So I'm like, for $1, we'll totally go with that. So he wanted 3 of them, so I'm like, for $1, we're gonna go with that. Because I'm like, I'm not spending $4 on one bath bomb. He really wanted something like this to play with while we're sitting in the car. It's just something that you just push and then you try to get that. I'm like, whatever. I mean, I used to have something like this, and he was playing with it really good in the store, and I thought, this is kind of cool. Oh, I just got 3 of them. Sweet. Okay, this is addicting. So I got that. Ben does go to school 2 days a week, so I thought we'll get him some snacks. He wanted these. He loves these. And I'm also trying to control portion control with him, so I thought one of these at school would be a great little snack. There's only 4 of them, so we can snack that. My brother is getting married next week, so I thought I needed a wedding. Sorry if my camera's moving, it's because my daughter's right there. I needed a wedding bag to get for my brother. We're gonna give him money, but I'm making him a little gift, so I wanted to put it in a little gift bag for them to put it in there. So yes, I found this, you guys. This is like the adorable thing. It says remove tab before trying. It's a mini appliance, and all it was a dust buster, is what I call them. And then there was a iron, but this is the dust buster, and I thought that is so cool. It lights up, so Miss Charlotte can pretend she's cleaning with us. Do you like that, don't you? Yes. Yeah, so I thought that was cool. It was going off a lot when we were driving home, but I thought that was adorable. I do have an iron in here that I have to share with you guys. I'm going to start doing some cooking videos soon, but I want to do a lot of freezer meals, but I don't want to make a huge meal and have it go to waste, so I'm going to start getting some of these. I got just 2 of them right now. They're a 3-pack, so I can make some freezer meals where I can do half now and half later. So this is what I got. I mean, for $1 you can't go wrong with that. So that's what I'm going to start doing, is working on freezer meals. I just have to get prepared for it. Now, I don't like really shopping the grocery cold section shopping because I never go home right after I go to the Dollar Tree. All my bags are like all tangled up, but I'm like, you know what, we're not going anywhere after this. So I found, and I thought this was kind of cool. I'm excited to see what these taste like. Froot Loop Popsicles, you guys, and there's 8 popsicles in here. I'm dying to know what they taste like. It just says Froot Loop Popsicles. It's not made by Kellogg's. It's like a Kellogg's trademark, but it's some other company. But we'll try it. It's only 35 calories per popsicle. We got, or the next item I got is the ices. Ben loves these. These are so delicious. I mean, for 4 of them for $1, that's a great deal. You get a quarter for a little thing of this. I love these. So this is something that we absolutely do love if I ever get a chance. Now, I've hauled this in my haul many times before, you guys. It is the Fudge Mint Cookies. Now, these taste exactly like Thin Mint cookies from the Girl Scout cookies. Fun fact is, the same company makes this. So if you guys ever look at the Girl Scout box and you look at this box, it's the same manufacturer that makes this. They make these just a little bit different for looks wise, but otherwise they taste exactly the same as Girl Scout cookies do. So this is something that I usually buy all the time. I love these. They're so delicious. They're just awesome. Okay. The next deal we got, why do I keep saying deal? Ben was at the grocery store yesterday and he said he wanted some little hugs, but he only drinks one flavor, and that's fruit punch. So I'm like, I'm not spending $7, $8 on a whole thing of little hugs for him to just drink one flavor. So we saw these at the Dollar Tree. There are 6 of them. I'm like, for $1, yeah, you can have that. Go for it, kid. So he picked out those. My husband, I wanted to be nice and surprise him, so I got him some dots so he can have those. When we travel all the time, I always have to put our toothbrushes in a Ziploc baggie because I can never find my holders because they're always missing. But I ended up getting these. I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree before. These are Brush Buddies, and it's basically just a pack so you can put the toothbrush heads in them. I thought that was a pretty good deal, and it fits all 4 of our families. So I'm going to always keep this in my little travel bag, so when we do have to put our toothbrushes in there, it's already there. But I thought this is a great deal. I mean, I always get those tubes, but I feel like this might be a little bit better for all of us. We walked in the store, and they had a ton of these My Little Pony blind bags. I just kind of wanted one. I thought they were super cute. Ben says he has one. I don't know where he got it from, but he has one. But this is just like a little My Little Pony thing, and it's got some weight to it. So I'm like, for $1, we'll definitely go ahead. I don't know how much these cost regularly. Probably $3, $4, maybe. I don't know, but you know what? For $1, I'm totally gonna get it. I love getting blind bags at the Dollar Tree. The Christmas candy was out. They're already slowly getting rid of all the Halloween candy, and they're getting the Christmas candy out, you guys. It is crazy, but Ben wanted some popsicle, or he wanted some candy canes. He already had one already, but I'm like, that's okay as long as you don't eat them all at once. So we got him some candy canes. He also wanted some gummies, but I gotta keep him from not eating constantly candy. Here is the iron that I found, you guys. It's just like a little simple. I thought it was a Ski-Doo at first, but it's so cute. I mean, I thought, that is so cool. I mean, it's something simple for her to do when she starts playing house, because I would have loved it. And then I also just needed some black pepper. you know, it doesn't matter. Black pepper to me is just whatever, and I'm like, you know what, I'll pay $1 for it instead of buying like name brand stuff. But yeah, that was my haul, you guys. Wasn't much, a lot of random stuff. I'm really trying to cut back on craft supplies of stuff that I don't need. I keep buying stuff of craft DIYs that I want to do, and I haven't touched them. So there's stuff that I want to do with that, but I'm going to work on the stuff that I have now. I do want to work on more DIY videos. It's just it probably won't happen until the end of the year. But other than that, that's all I can share with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. It's something small, but it's something that I like to share with you guys. Hopefully you guys can find some of the goodies that we found. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.